Here we have an abandoned railroad crossing on Southway Boulevard in Kokomo, Indiana. This crossing is on an NS line that went from Kokomo to Tipton and has since been abandoned. And the signals have had their lights turned facing each other. So the first signal has this base here which has had the cover come off somehow. Here we have the emergency information and dot tag. The lights are 2 pairs of incandescent Transport Products Corp. 8-inchers. You can see it says Transport Products Corp there on the front side. You can see they're incandescent. Here's a better look at the logo, sorta. And here's the backs. And they're on a Transport Products junction box. You can see the crossbuck is buried up there. The signal is bellless. This appears to be a Transport Products base. This says Louisville, Kentucky right there. And we gotta wait for some cars. Boy, this is a busy road. Alright, I'm going. So over here we have the second signal. It's the same as the first, pretty much, except this one actually has its base still, or cover on the base. So you can see it's Transport Products. Here's the emergency information and the dot tag. The lights are more of the same Transport Products 8-inchers, which you can see logo much better up there where it says Transport Products Corp. And there's the back. And there's the Transport Products junction box and the crossbuck. The crossing has been paved over. There's the other signal. There's the relay case, which has been cut from power years ago. That's looking south towards Oakford, Sharpsville, and Tipton. And that's looking north into Kokomo. You can see the rails have been cut up to the crossing. So yeah, this is the Southway Boulevard railroad crossing. It's abandoned in Kokomo, Indiana. Over and out.